Last 2 packs. Give me something good. Give me someone good. Come on, 100k pack, baby, 100k pack. Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Fucking Penny! Fucking Penny! Fucking got Penny!
And we get no one again. Fake Hazard! No! He's worth 15 million! In the very first 50k pack, I'm gonna be oh my god, what the fuck? Ronaldo! Oh my god, in the first 50k pack! Oh my god, what the fuck? Holy fucking shit!
No, I'm done, I'm actually done. Nah.
Oh, legend!
No.
And Hazard, what a fucking pack!
No.
Oh my god!
Bullshit.
Oh my god!
Bullshit.
What the fuck is that?
I gotta see it. I gotta see it. Nah, he's lying, fam. He's lying.
What the fuck is that?
He's lying.
The first back, can I get team of the year? Come on, it's opening. Let's spin my chair. Oh, we got Silver! Shit, turn off! How do I turn it back on? I don't know how to turn my TV back on. I just got Silver and Xbox turned off! My head is blasted!
Oh my god! Holy shit! 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 Oh my god! Oh my fucking god! No! I swear on my life! Oh my fucking god! Oh my god! Oh my god! It's real! No!
Tell you what.
No way has this just happened. I've got Iniesta. I've done it. I've just got another one. 3 team of the years in 2 days. No way.
Come on, Eden Hazard. Get us someone good. Get us someone good, please, Eden. You've been good to us. You've been good to us. Come on. Come on. No way. No. Whoa. In the 15k pack. What? 99 Ronaldo. No. 99 Ronaldo. What? No. In a 15k pack as well. What the fuck? No. I'm done. I just finished FIFA. I'm done. That's it. I'm done forever. I completed FIFA.
Oh shit, son! Oh fucking shit, son! No!
Just hold me, because I'm gonna use De Bruyne. Freaking De Bruyne. Oh shit! Oh big fucking shit! Fucking Roberto! Fucking God! What's up? Roberto! Fucking Carlo! Oh my god! Roberto! Fucking Carlo! What's up? Andy Strong Gibbs is back on the scene.
Okay. Oh my god! Oh my days! Oh my days! How can the fuck can I get him? Oh my days! Oh my days! Oh my days! I got one of the best legends you can get.
Yeah, you wet wipes. Messi! No! Ronaldo! Not even Messi! 99 Ronaldo! 99 Ronaldo! That is 99 Ronaldo on my screen! I'm so done! Oh my god! 99 Ronaldo! Oh my lord!
Facebook dead, you need to go bad. Facebook dead, you need to go bad.